Let's get to our other top stories and the latest on the search for the suspect in the killing of the CEO of UnitedHealthcare.
New York police have released new images of the suspect, and police say they're fielding hundreds of tips in the now nationwide manhunt for the suspected killer. ABC's Rena Roy with the latest from New York.
A surreal Sunday scene in Central Park. NYPD divers searching for evidence and clues in the brazen murder of that healthcare CEO. New Yorkers out for a Sunday stroll nearby as the police divers plunge into a pond in the park, looking for the murder weapon and the bicycle the suspect was seen riding.
The net is tightening, and we're going to bring this person to justice.
The pond is near the spot where investigators recovered what they believe is the suspect's backpack. Sources tell ABC News the backpack contained a Tommy Hilfiger jacket and Monopoly money. In a possible sign, the suspect is trying to taunt law enforcement. Other new evidence, the NYPD releasing images showing the suspect getting into what appears to be a taxi. The manhunt for the suspect in killing UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson in Midtown Manhattan now in its 5th day. The suspect fleeing the scene Wednesday on foot, then seen entering Central Park on a bike. 45 minutes after the shooting, the suspect was gone. Police say they saw him on video near a bus station by the George Washington Bridge, where they think he boarded a bus and left the city.
That's really quick. We have him on a bus out of Upper Manhattan. If he takes it to any different spot and gets on another bus, that has to be tracked as well.
Detectives now in Atlanta following a large number of tips linked to the suspect. Police say he boarded a Greyhound bus that originated in Atlanta 10 days before the shooting and arrived in New York just after 10 p.m. November 24th. Law enforcement sources tell ABC investigators believe they were able to find DNA samples from several pieces of evidence discovered at or near the scene. 3 shell casings with the words deny, defend, and depose, a possible reference to the ways insurance companies avoid paying medical claims, also found at the crime scene, along with live rounds from a 9mm gun. Protesters have targeted UnitedHealthcare at its headquarters in Minnesota in the past, calling out Brian Thompson's $10 million pay package.
Brian Thompson may not have personally been the target, but he represented the system.
Now, many on social media using one man's murder to unleash frustration with the entire health insurance industry. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.